Welcome to another AI video tutorial. Engines online. Prepare for takeoff.
I was working on a video this month and needed some sound effects to fit, so I searched to see what options are available. For example, for this one, I needed some jungle sound effects to set the mood. Listen for a few seconds to this ambience.
Some flowers switch on at night. Over time, they copied the clean look of our LED lights. But other creatures learned the trick. They mimic the glow to lure the insects, then feed. But the night also belongs to bigger animals. A forest bison with faint stripes moves through the...
So you got the idea. The sound effects can help you immerse better in the scene compared to using voice alone. The option that worked for me was using ElevenLabs. Even though I don't use ElevenLabs for my voice since it's too expensive, it worked quite well for sound effects. Here on the left, you have sound effects, and you can also check what other people have generated to get inspiration and see what prompts they used. For example, if I go to animals, I can search for an animal like a lion and listen to some of the generations. So if I go back, you can see there are quite a few categories to choose from, and you can see even more if you click on this arrow. So let's see what else we have under devices. Even though I can download and use those, I like to create my own sound effects that fit what I need. Here you can describe the sound. For example, maybe I want a witch laughing with an evil laugh. You have an option here to make it loopable, so if you repeat the sound, it will blend the end with the beginning seamlessly. For duration, you can use auto or set a maximum of 30 seconds. For prompt influence, you can choose how closely it should follow the prompt. I like to increase that to around 70%. Let's change the duration to fit the prompt. Maybe 5 seconds is enough for a witch laugh. Then you can see how much it costs with these settings, 200 credits, and we can use this arrow to generate. It will take a few seconds depending on the duration, and you can see it loading here. Each time, you get 4 different generations, so if you don't like something, you can adjust the prompt and generate again. Let's see what we got. The result is pretty good in this case. You can use the download button to get it in MP3 or WAV format. Let's create something longer, this time 30 seconds, which is the maximum allowed, and I will turn on the loop so we can repeat it for hours if we want those 30 seconds. Let's add maybe some cozy fireplace ambiance. Running this costs me 1,200 credits because it is 30 seconds long. If you want to share it with other people, you have this option here that you can enable or disable. And we got our generation. Let's see how it sounds. It's not always perfect on the first try, but in this case, I liked 3 out of the 4 generations. Let's change the duration to around 6 or 7 seconds. Let's prompt for a predator sound in the jungle, an alpha creature, alien type. I want something similar to what you hear in the Alien movie or the Alien Earth TV series. Let's see if it can do it. By the way, I am testing some of these sounds for the first time, so I'm not sure yet what it's fully capable of. It sounds pretty good. What do you think? Let's do more tests, maybe some ambience in a cave with dripping water. Let me test some with auto, but like I said, I don't really use it. You can close these history tabs, but even better, you can go to history to see all the sounds you generated there. You can search for them and even add some you like to favorites using this star, then you can find them in the Favorites tab. I asked ChatGPT to give me some simple prompts for sound effects, so let's test some of these. As you can see, it only created sounds about 2 seconds long, not really what I want. I noticed that with auto, it tends to make them very short. Let's try some manually. I was thinking, what if I try to make a person say something? Could it do it?
Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back.
I noticed when I did the editing that I used 7 seconds for that, and the rest was just pause, so I probably could have done it in 3 or 4 seconds to save some credits.
System activated. System activated. System activated. System activated. System activated.
Except for version 3, which was bad, the rest kind of captured the robotic voice, but again, it was too long and got repeated. Let's give Auto another chance to see.
Gate is open. Gate is open. The gate is open. Gate is open.
As you can see, with Auto it tried to make a 1-second audio, and it spoke very fast. I want it a little slower, so let's give it more time, like 3 or 4 seconds, so it has time to say the words.
Gate is open. Gate is open. The gate is open. The gate is open.
I think it sounds better this time, but only 2 versions said the gate, while the other 2 missed the word the. So it can do words, but not many, or they get mixed. Around 2 to 4 words it can handle, but if you try more, it will start to mix them up.
Mission complete. Mission complete. Mission complete. Mission complete. Mission complete. Mission complete. Mission complete.
Run. 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 Run.
In this case, it didn't say the words. Maybe the prompt was too long, or it thought the sub-bass was more important, so let's delete that and try again.
Leave now. Leave now. Leave now. Leave now.
Let me fade away. Don't let me fade away. Don't let me fade away. Don't let me fade away. Ashamara silentoran. Ashamara silentoran. Ashamara silentoran. Ashamarara silentoran.
Your soul is mine. 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 Your soul is mine.
Checkpoint reached. Checkpoint reached. Checkpoint reached. Checkpoint reached. Checkpoint reached.
In a world where chaos rules, one man will stand against the storm. In a world where chaos rules, one man will stand against the storm. In a world where chaos rules, one man will stand against the storm. In a world where chaos rules, one man will stand against the storm.
When the stars fall silent, destiny begins to burn again. When the stars fall silent, destiny begins to whisper again. When the stars fall silent, destiny begins to whisper again. When the stars fall silent, destiny begins to whisper again.
So in these cases, it managed to do up to 9 or 10 words, but it doesn't always work. Still, it's worth a try. There are cases when you don't know what to prompt or how to say it. For some scenes, you can use ChatGPT and upload an image or a screenshot from your video, then tell it you want a prompt for sound effects. It will give you a prompt, but you should probably set a limit on how many words it uses, since ElevenLabs doesn't seem to like prompts that are too long or have too many instructions. It works better with simple prompts, but let's give it a try.
If you found something useful, leave a like and a comment to help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, AI Titans, and everyone who subscribed to the membership. Your help means a lot. I wish you a great day, and I will see you on Discord.